Tell me how the verses even came up in the first place.
Yeah, man. All right. Well, if you watch the verses with the artists and with the news, it's most veteran artists who been at each other next to hit songs after hit songs. I'm on the got Billboard number and man, I said, ramp with me now. But hold that one under your face. So these are the people them putting at the verses. So for have me and Bounty Killer was the right choice. Because me and him bust the same time, me and him got through the same thing. Like where, all right, say you have DMX and a Snoop Dogg there. You know that. You have Monica and a Brandy. You know the thing go. You have Teddy Riley and you know the thing go. Them man they run competition with each other. You just true Babyface have more hits. But every time Babyface get a number one, Teddy Riley got it. Like every time. Whether him produce or him sing or him write. You understand what I say? Him always got it. So with for Switch Beat now and Timberland, them see that because them want to do the Jamaican thing. So him call me now, Swiss Beat call me and I say, yo, we want to do the Beenie Man and Bounty Killer thing. I said that would be a good idea. So that's when I start watch back certain verses and I say, I like how the verses are go. Like one man up here and one man down here. So we need one unification. Because if me and Bounty Killer got the verses and then the up here, so it's going to be competition. And we have big people who can't compete against each other right now. Right now, for sure, love in the music, what is the dancehall music, is lack of love. Because all the new artists, them bust, that one year war against someone, that one year war against someone, that one year want to shoot, that one year want to stab up, that one year. So music is not about music anymore. Music about who have the most gun and who can show the most bullet and who can this and that. So we want to show, say, we, as the original rival, the original enemy, got them. See? Can forward together on one show and deal with a whole heap of vibes and show love to the dancehall music and make the people that know say, there's love here. There's not only war here or violence, you know. There's love here and brotherly love too. You see it? Serious love. You see it? Yeah, man. So when me and people do that now, it kind of show where the people them always are cuss about.
Yeah.
The love and the respect in the music. So yes. And I thank the organizers of Verzuz to do that because that was a good idea. Yeah, man. Thank Ehrenberg too, because she find the studio. If she never find a studio, then me I use mine. But yeah.
Listen, to me, there was 3 pivotal moments in the verses. One, where you turned to the police officer and said, don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Next one was when Bounty played the EDM beat. And we could see your eyes looking and listening, yeah, and you said, I'm going for it.
Yeah, man. All right. I thought he was going to play a special.
Mm-hmm.
That is the reason why I was listening. But when I realized that the beat him a play, now the DJ upon your dub plate, now ramping me. Brap. But this is music, this is how it is. As them type of thing that keep upon your toe in it. You're supposed to always on the edge. This is where you're supposed to be on. As a musician, as an actor, as a dancer, anything. You're supposed to always be in the toes. So you're always ready for anything. So when him do that, him expects him catch me half guard. No man can catch me for nothing at that. Half guard, hand guard, round guard, running it. No, we can't do that. I am here. Yeah, right.
Crazy. And then the pivotal, where it exploded was when they played the Showtime and the Song for Song. That was
murder. Yeah, because that was the whole vibes. That's the way you don't show the people them say, yeah, this is where we are come from to where we are now. Because I be a war song sing from the same. So you know, this is where we are come from to where we are now. So we are big people now. That's how we used to point at each other face and I am mine now, you chat to man, but we never touch so. You see that stuff there? Yeah, no man never get this. No man never get this. None of that never go on. Mm-hmm. And none of this never go on either.
Most importantly.
Lyrical confrontation at all times. Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.